Hatha yoga is a gentle form of yoga that is perfect for beginners or those looking for a more relaxed workout. It focuses on slow movements and deep breathing, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Regular practice can also improve flexibility, balance, and overall physical health. To get started with Hatha yoga, find a quiet space where you can practice without distractions. Wear comfortable clothing that allows for a full range of motion. You may also want to invest in a yoga mat to provide cushioning and stability during your practice. Begin with a few simple poses, such as downward dog, child's pose, and mountain pose. Take your time and focus on your breath, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. As you become more comfortable with these poses, you can gradually add more challenging poses to your practice. One of the keys to a successful Hatha yoga practice is to listen to your body. If a pose feels uncomfortable or painful, back off and modify the pose or skip it altogether. Remember that yoga is not a competition, and there is no need to push yourself beyond your limits. Another way to improve your Hatha practice is to incorporate meditation into your routine. After your physical practice, take a few minutes to sit quietly and focus on your breath. This can help calm your mind and reduce stress and anxiety. In conclusion, Hatha yoga is an excellent way to incorporate healthy workouts into your daily routine. By focusing on breathing techniques, physical postures, and meditation, you can achieve a balanced mind and body. To improve your practice, start with simple poses, listen to your body, and incorporate meditation into your routine. With regular practice, you'll soon experience the many benefits of Hatha yoga. So why not give it a try today?